You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
This is only in version 5.12. 5.13 will be different. Here's how to save projects. I'm going to show you how to save them privately or publicly. It's just one little link change. So you can go to your projects and you can click share. You want to edit project details. If you have already edited project details, you cannot do that. See how it's gone from this one because I've already shared it. To do that, I would have to click these three dots right here, and then I can go to edit project details from there. So let's start out here. We're going to go to Captain, click the little arrow, click edit details, but first we need a screenshot. So I'm just going to take a screenshot. The best way to do this is to take a picture of your finished project, so you'll know what it is when you see your file. But I didn't make this project, so I'm just going to take a screenshot. So we're going to click edit project details. We have to add a photo, so I'm going to click it there. And now we have to have a project name. We have to have a description, Harry Potter. And tags, you can add tags. This may be an iron-on. And now the important part, you can have it save for only me. That means only I can see it, even if I share the link. So that is the old private way. Or you can share with anyone with a link. That would be anybody who you give a link to. It does not go public. This one is it goes to everyone. That means it goes to everyone in Design Space. They can go to the Cricut community and find this project because you shared it with everyone. So I'm going to click with anyone with a link so I can share it privately, and then click save. And we're good. Now we can click here to copy the link, and then we can paste that to whoever we want to share it with. And it's that easy. Design Space version 5.12 started rolling out today. It will take 7 days before everyone will have it. There is nothing you need to do in order to get it. It will just automatically show up and update itself. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. If you have more questions, put them in the comments below. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.